Everybody, it's me, Miss You, and we're going to be learning about offsets. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to the front view, go to front, create a sketch, create a 4x6 rectangle with the center in the middle. We're going to dimension the rectangle 4x6. 6 should be on the top, 4 should be on the side. And we are set. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to complete the sketch, extrude it to 1 inch, and we have our 3D surface in which we could remove material. Next, we're going to create a new sketch. So select the surface, create a new sketch, bring in a single pentagon, and I'm going to change it from 6 to 5 to make it a pentagon. We're going to put some constraints on it. So the first constraint that's going to be horizontal. There it is. And the next constraint, I want the bottom to be from the x-axis to be 0.5. And the next constraint, I would like the center to be coincident with the center line. So what I'm going to do is create a construction line. Okay, and I'm going to select the coincident. I'm going to select the construction line. I'm going to select the center point, and then I'm going to do the coincident constraint. Okay. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do the measurement of the pentagon, and it is a diameter of 0.5. So I'm going to select the dimension, and I'm going to dimension the circle to be 0.5, and it is now fully constrained. Okay. The next step that we're going to do is we're going to create a pattern. Okay. This is all stuff that we've done before. So I'm going to select the pentagon. It's going to leave. Select the pentagon. And now I'm going to go to the pattern. And I want 5 pentagons. So I'm going to create 5. I'm going to left click to accept them. Great. At 5 pentagons, and the last step is going to be extruding. So at this point, we could finish our sketch. Okay. And we're going to go to extrude. And you're going to select the center. Of each of the pentagons. You're going to go remove and check. And here we go. We have just extruded 5 pentagons. The next step is we're going to create an offset, and this part is new. In order to create an offset, we need to add another sketch. So let's select the surface. We're going to create a third sketch, and I want to show you this is the offset button, and you're first supposed to select the sides that we want offset, and it's supposed to be offset by 0.1. Pre-select one or more of the curves. So So 5 of the curves or lines were selected. Now we're going to select the offset button, and it says 0.25, but what we really want it to be is 0.1. Okay. Next, we're going to do it again with 3 pentagons as per the instructions. I'm now going to, oh, it's already selected, which is, that didn't work out. So now it's unselected. I have 5 sides of the pentagon selected. I'm going to go to the offset and I'm going to change it to 0.1. And the last one, I'm going to select 1, 2. Well, I had to deselect the offset, select the sides. Okay. I now want to select the offset button and change it to 0.1. Next, we're supposed to be doing fillets. Fillets could be done after we extrude, or it could be done in the sketch phase. We're going to do it in the sketch phase. This is the fillet symbol, okay? And we're going to select a corner, and it's already showing 0.2 because I changed it previously. And you're going to go and select all the sides. Or all the vertices. Okay, there we go. I have 5 vertices. And the next step is we want to extrude. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to end the sketch. Okay, these dots that you're seeing, they're actually the radii of the fillets. So the next step is we're going to extrude. And we need to select the space in between here, in between the pentagon and the offset, right? And we're going to add 1 inch. And hopefully that worked out. Let's take a look. And beautiful. There we have it. We have offset with a fillet, the pentagon. And that brings us to number 13. And the next part is modeling more part features where we're going to create a screwdriver holder.